Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I just got done changing the tires on my Ford Focus, so now I'm going to change the cabin air filter on it. So let's get started. So in this job there are no tools required. Here are a couple of things that you're going to need. You're going to need a cabin air filter, as well. Just make sure you find the right part that fits. So without further ado, let's go and get started. First, let's get access to the passenger side over here. And down below over here, don't know if you can see that. Down below there might be two fasteners that hold in this bottom panel into place. So let's go undo those. Place them down over here. Place the camera over here. There goes two. And after that's done, the bottom panel should come right off. Just like that. Then I'll place it on top of the on the dash. Okay, next I'm going to take this cover off right over here. That's where the cabin air filter is located, right in there. So we'll undo that. Take off this cover. There it goes. So next I'm going to take out this old cabin air filter because we're getting rid of the old one anyway. Look at that. Look at all that dirt and debris that was in there. I'm going to have to go and clean this up here. See that? I'm going to go and clean it all up. So I'm going to clean this out. Look at all that dirt and debris that got caught in there. That was from 8 years and 116,000 kilometers. On this original cabin air filter. We'll see what it looks like once I'm done cleaning this up. Take a look at that old cabin air filter, guys. See that? This is it. 8 years and 116,000 kilometers on this original cabin air filter. We're just getting rid of the old one anyways. And now we'll just compare the new filter and the old one. So like I said, make sure you compare your parts and make sure they're the same. We'll open this up. Okay, hang on. So there's the old filter, and there's the new filter. In this one, there's a flow arrow, so it goes this way. And we're going to put it right over here. Now we're just going to go ahead and install it right now. Alright, so before installing a cabin air filter, pay attention to the airflow. So the airflow goes left, like that. Installation might be easier if you pinch the sides down. So in this case, we want this to face this way. So let's go do that now. Okay, so I had to pinch the sides down in order to get it in there. So I had a little bit of hard time getting this thing in there, so you had to pinch the sides down in order for it to go inside there easy. So now that's in there, so we'll just go ahead and grab our cabin air filter cover and then just put it back on. We'll just put the cabin air filter cover back on, and then we'll put the bottom panel on and put those two fasteners back on, and we'll be done. There. As you can see right there, that cabin air filter cover is missing a T20 Torx screw because somebody's already been in here. So let's continue finishing up here. So now let's go ahead and put this bottom panel back in there. So I got it in there correctly. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab our two fasteners, put them in there, and then should snap on nice and tight. Nice and snug. I didn't mean to say nice and tight. Over here. There we go. Once that's done, we can go and test it. Alright, so let's go and test it now. Power on. Oh yeah, it smells nice and good. Yep, we got airflow. This wasn't so hard. I'll switch the key back off. And there you go. Alright, so that's done. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video of me changing the cabin air filter in my 2012 Ford Focus. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos just like this. And remember, I'm going to change the engine air filter on my dad's truck, which is a 2014 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman 4x4. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And as always, be sure to stay tuned next time. There's always a lot more where it came from. Take care.